Some Jamaicans who use the streaming platform Spotify might be affected by soon-to-be rollout changes. Spotify's royalty model will get a massive revamp next year to give working artists a bigger cut, according to Music Business Worldwide. Starting in the first quarter of 2024, Spotify will reportedly implement 3 changes meant to combat 3 drains on the royalty pool. The first one is establishing a minimum number of annual streams a track must reach before it starts generating royalties, which is supposed to demonetize tracks that earn less than 5 cents a month, which means that smaller artists might see their already meager earnings dwindle so that popular artists could get paid more. If it detects illegal activity, such as the use of AI tools to repeatedly stream tracks and artificially boost their play count, the company will slap their distributors with financial penalties. Spotify is hoping that by enforcing a per-track penalty, it could deter people from committing streaming fraud in the long run. However, none is certain if the changes will start in the first quarter of next year 2024, or never. But just in case it should start, Jamaican artists with low stream counts on songs that are beneath Spotify's threshold should take note and do the necessary bit to avoid their tracks being taken down if or when